welcome to Vlogmas day 22. Your girl is on the move. I'm on my way to my nail appointment, and then after my nail appointment I have my annual doctor's appointment, and I am looking forward to getting my nails done. I looked at my nails yesterday and I was like, did I wait an extra week? But no, I have a nail appointment today. I think my nails are just growing really fast. So here you go. Personally, my nails have to be done. I feel my best self when my nails are done. I feel my most confident self when my nails are done. So in order to prepare and plan for my nail appointment, I pin nail ideas to a Pinterest board, and then the morning of, I go through, filter it, kind of decide what kind of design I want, what kind of colors I may want, and then I bring that to the nail stylist and I let her do her thing. Now, this is a new nail stylist, but she's been doing my nails enough to kind of know what my style is. So this will be the first time that she's actually doing a design. So I'm a little bit nervous because I've just been getting plain color just so that I can get familiar with her. She gets familiar with me. She knows kind of the shapes I like. We've also been like looking at nail inspo at our nail appointments that are different from what she's doing with my nails. So I feel very confident that she'll be able to execute it. I'm just a little bit nervous because it's the first time that she's doing a nail design. And not only is she doing a nail design, it's a nail design for Christmas. So we shall see how this goes. Wish me luck. Do you notice anything different about me? Ah! I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm not obsessed about a lot of things. I'm obsessed with my husband. I'm obsessed with Jesus. This nail set. I am obsessed. Look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. I'm sorry I'm screaming at y'all, but look. Do you see how beautiful? Do you see the beautifulness? My stomach is growling. I'm starving, but I have to go to this doctor's appointment, and I'm not going to be late because you all remember last time what happened when I was 10 minutes late. Forgot to tell you that they marked me as a no-show, even though I was actually there. I was just late. And come to find out, they have a cutoff time for 15 minutes, and I was within that 15-minute window, but it's up to the physician's discretion whether or not they want to see the patient. So my appointment's not till 12:45, but your girl is in the parking lot at 12:20. Hopefully this appointment goes well because I have a lot to update her on because it's an annual. So hopefully it goes well. We're able to get through all of the things. And yeah. I'm back home, and hubby had me pick up raspberry croissants on the way. He had one for breakfast earlier today, and he loved it that much that he virtually ordered it so that I could pick it up, and I'm getting ready to try it. Are you already took yours out? Smells good. You can kind of tell it's raspberry. You can kind of tell. It's like it's got a little of a pink hue. Alright, let's try it. Mmm. Mmm. Good. You see the insides? It kind of reminds me of currants roll in a way. It's very good. Oh, it's got jelly in it. This is good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, Dunkin.